All right, well, now we've analyzed our oblique drawing. Let's get to the 1 point perspective. Remember, same thing, exact same prism, but we left the oblique one over here for comparison. So I gave you this. I gave you a horizon line. There's a little bit of judgment here. Remember, I'm drawing, I'm not constructing. So I'm going to take my ruler, only thing I need, and I'm going to draw my segment. I'm going to draw AB. I'm just going to slide it down there. See, I'm drawing a rectangle. You know how to do that. Again, not a construction, just a drawing. And I'm drawing the same, well, that rectangle right there. It's really starts out the same as the oblique perspective, as you can see. And I'll connect them. I'll draw, put the right angles in. I really don't care about the aspect ratios or the shape of the rectangle, but I mean, do make it a rectangle. So now I've got that figure. See, all right, and I could shade that in if I wanted to. See that? Yep. Start looks good. And now we're going to put in a vanishing point. This is where it gets different because now I'm going to take lines that do meet on the paper to depict parallel lines. That's a little different. So I'm going to connect A to my vanishing point. I'm going to make the line thin because I'm going to want to, well, I'm going to want to change over that or, right over that. And there you go. I'm going to connect B to my vanishing point, and then I'm going to connect finally down here my F to the vanishing point. So work your straight edge, work your magic, and there you go. So far so good. Well, looking at my picture here, and I see I've got this face. I need to pick out a point. I'm going to work on this point, C. I'm just going to pick a point for C. I'm going to put it right there, right? And that's going to give me a lot. I take my ruler, I'm going to hold it horizontal, and see I can slide it up like this because I'm trying to show parallel, and there you go. And then I can connect the other two segments, so I'll just make those solid. And you can see the top surface, which is now not even a parallelogram. I mean, it's just an arbitrary quadrilateral, but it's depicting, again, a rectangle. So let me see. Then I guess I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm going to line it up like that. And let me see, CDAB. I'm going to draw that in, and there's my segments. So really, the picture is complete right now. I maybe want to make some more, make some additions to it. Again, you can see the 1 point perspective. So I could shade a surface, and I'm going to put the right angle symbols in, just like I did before. I could shade the right face here, and again put in some right angle symbols, and there you go. But now it's different. Let's suppose I want to put in those parallel lines or those parallel indicators. Well, I could put, let's see. Well, let's see. Now let's do it this way. I could put these in, of course, it's just like we did before. Parallel, parallel, parallel. I put in my little tick marks. But now look what happens. And this is a little bit different. If I were to put in a little parallel mark from AD, I'm going to indicate that that's parallel to BC. And BC is parallel to FG. So again, this is a little bit of your artistic rendition. These lines actually do meet in two-dimensional space at this vanishing point, but we are depicting 3 dimensions. And as far as we're concerned, those 3 lines with the blue tick marks, they're parallel. All right, let's make a 2-point.